Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Taco Bell going 4 miles.
You need something to drink this morning?
What's that?
You need something to drink this morning?
No, that's fine. Thank you, though.
That's like
Thank you. That was nice of him to offer me something to drink. Total for that order was $6. So, like, are people gonna start waking up soon or what? Because at this rate, it's looking like $6 an hour. It's gonna be another bad day, isn't it? But we finally got the next order. It says IHOP, $10 going 4 miles.
Oh, wait. This goes in there.
Oh, okay.
Hi, who are you picking up for?
For Travis.
That was it.
One second, okay?
Okay.
Hi, who are you picking up for?
That was my order.
That was, oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to her, but I'm glad she didn't get
I thought she was
juice
gonna grab
because-
something else, but then.
Okay, and then that's your orange juice.
Okay,
I
perfect.
got Illinois, it's the orange juice.
Thank you. Next up, we've got a Burger King. This one's going 5 miles. That is like the most inconvenient drink holder. Total for that order was $6 and change. Okay, we're about almost an hour behind pace now, and we are on hour 2. So 1 hour has been completely wasted on nothing. That's awesome. 10 more minutes have passed since that last clip, and we just got the next order. This is Gravity Coffee going 6.5 miles.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, let me get your restaurant. Be careful with that big guy. I don't want it
Yeah.
to fall out on you. Perfect.
Total for that order was $10. Was that worth it? I mean, I guess better than sitting around doing nothing, so yep. Finally got the next order. This is a McDonald's, $6 going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Yep.
Not gonna lie, if I don't get an order in the next 10 minutes, I'm just gonna call it. I don't even care at this point. Maybe I just needed to speak that threat into existence. Because we got the next order. This is Victor Rico's, $8 going 6 miles. Hopefully that wasn't too far away that you couldn't see, but that flock, I think, is the correct terminology, of duck and ducklings almost caused like a 4-car wreck. But finally somebody hopped out of their car and hurried them across the street. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. I am 10 cents richer. Okay, we're gonna go home now because we're making under minimum wage at this point. You know what? I should start paying these apps to work for them. Maybe that's my mistake. Current time is 9:10. Current total is 45, and we're waiting on the Uber tip for the one that we just did, which should bring it up to like maybe 50. That's got to be the worst day I've had in so long. Worst weekend, honestly. This whole weekend has been trash. But whatever, I'll throw in some kitty clips to make my day better and hopefully do the same for you guys. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.